say thank you.
Say thank you, Mummy and Daddy. You gonna say thank you, Shantae? Wow.
What do you say?
Thank you.
That's good, girl.
I'll just put this one.
Show Mummy. Turn around, show Mummy. Oh, wow. Do you like her? She's pretty, isn't she?
That's daddy. That's his daddy.
Is it?
Yeah. I'll put it in my room.
Okay.
I'll put it home here.
Son, you got your cars. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom.
Where's my present?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I'm not opening it now. So,